Tucker, what's in there? What's in there? Show me what's in there. Come here. What's in there? What's in the crack? Oh, you know what? He's probably waiting for the fridge to open. What are you going to do when the fridge opens? Tucker. That's so funny that he knows the food is in the fridge. Watch out. So now we'll stand by the fridge all night.
Well, he can stand there. He's not getting any more food.
Come on, get away from the fridge.
He didn't eat a lot today.
He's really standing by the fridge because he really knows that
Yeah,
there's
how many other things do you eat today? I know I need some food. How many?
Tucker, what are you doing?
How many did
What
you
are
eat?
you doing, Tuck?
Rachel, how many?
What are you doing?
He has plenty of food.
Look at him. Look. Want to say hi to your mommy? Want to say hi to your mommy? You're not getting any food in there. Where's Brian? Where's Brian at? Say hi to Brian. Say hi to Brian. Oh, he's wagging. Are you wagging for Brian? Oh. Tucker.